Alright, Rodkey here with another Yu-Gi-Oh! Opening video, and today we have some Burst of Destiny packs. Got 6 at my local GameStop. It was buy 2 get 1 free, and I was able to get 6 for like 12 bucks. So yeah, with a $5 off coupon, I got them for 12 bucks together. So yeah, otherwise it would have been 17 with the deal, but still 12 is insane for 6 packs. It's like $2 a pack. Yeah, let's get on cracking, see what we can pull. Destroyer Phoenix Enforcer is pretty cool. The Flundries and not really sure what all else is in this set. I know that there's some good stuff in here, but we'll just have to see. Small World, another secret rare, but let's see. Giant Starfall, Sword Souls are pretty good apparently. Penguin, oh my gosh, we got the Incredible Ecclesia the Virtuous. Holy crud. That's a good secret. Alright. Oh my gosh. That's like a little pineapple dragon. That's so cool. I'm gonna set that aside. That's adorable. Penguin Ninja and Reptilian Recoil. Oh my gosh, wow. Got ourselves a secret rare. First pack. That's insane. Let's go. Alright, Ecclesia. Next pack. Let's see if GameStop did us good. Already we got 1 secret rare, so like that's more than I could probably ask for. But let's see if we can pull anything else. Penguin Cleric. Oh my gosh, we got the outstanding dog Mary, the counterpart to Marin or whatever. Gunship and a Synchro. We got Sword Soul Supreme Sovereign, another high rarity card, an ultra rare. Nice. So I will just put this pack of sleeves back here. And I'll just sleeve it up with a red sleeve. Right upside down. There we go. Sword Soul Supreme Sovereign Chen Ying. Reptilians, Bee Troopers, Penguins, and Magnificent Magic Key Maftil. That's cool. So it's like the gun has a spirit. That's pretty cool. I like that. Alright, next pack. Already a secret and an ultra, so like I don't know if I can expect much of anything else from these packs. Who knows though? Like already is giving me some serious fire. Flundries. Oh, kind of spoiled it. Heritage, Flip Frozen, Cynet, and Ultimate Flagship Ursatron. Yeah, like Ursartic and Drytron. Oh, that's cool. It's like a mix between those two archetypes. Dangers, Disturbance, Disorder, Flundries, Bee Troopers, and Gunkan Suship Shirao. Alright. More sushi cards. 3 more packs. Got halfway through it. Who knows? There might be another 2 hits in these last 2 packs. Who knows? Let's see. Hopefully we got something good in here. 1 more hit would be awesome, but if not, we still got Secret and an Ultra out of 6 packs. Outstanding Dog Mary, Penguins, Giant, Gunkan Ship, and another ultra rare, Machina Rune Force. So I don't think that one's a really good one, but still got ourselves an ultra rare. I'll still sleeve it up because they're not guaranteed. Alright, can one of these last 2 packs have another hit? There was a Starlight that I I don't even know what I'd do. That would be just the most insane thing in the world. But anything above a super rare would be really awesome. Alright. Pack just did not want to open. Got some stuff scuffing on the back of that card. Frozen, Flip Frozen, Sonic Tracker, Flundereeze, Abyss Keeper, and Heavy Interlock, super rare rocket card. Okay. Ooh, Night Sword Serpent, that's interesting, and Transonic Bird. Alright, last pack of Destiny. Can we pull something better than a super rare in this pack? We'll see. Bring us the good luck. Bam. Boom. Got Break of Destiny, Destiny Hero card, Heritage of Light, Flip Frozen, Sonic Tracker. I guess we'll go from the back. We got B-Trooper Assault Roller, Laundry Trap, Wrecked Lanes, Magic Key Looking, and last pack of Destiny. Can we get something awesome? We got Branded High Spirits. So, super rare card for the Branded archetype, I guess. Well, didn't end it off with anything over a super, but still, out of 6 packs, getting 3 hits, that's pretty nice. 50-50 chances, like, that's really good odds. So, leave a like if you enjoyed this opening. Comment what you'd like to see me open in the future on this channel. And subscribe for more. But as always, keep making those awesome pulls. Rocky out.